In this video, you'll learn how to set up virtual environments for Python. Virtual environments help you isolate your project dependencies from each other and system-level packages. In most Linux distributions, Python 3 comes pre-installed. Check if it's installed using the command python 3 version. Pip is the package manager for Python, similar to apt for Debian and Ubuntu distro. Install pip using the command sudo apt install python 3 pip. Verify the installation using the command pip3 version. virtualenv is a Python tool that allows you to create and use virtual environments. virtualenvwrapper is another Python tool that helps you to organize and manage multiple virtual environments from one place. Using virtualenvwrapper is a best practice as it stores all environments in one place within your home folder and avoids clutter. Install virtualenv using the command sudo pip3 install virtualenv. If you are using an older OS, you might want to install Python 3 setup tools and wheel. Next, install virtualenvwrapper using the command pip3 install virtualenvwrapper. Now, it's time to configure your virtualenvwrapper setup. Open the ZSHRC file in your text editor. You can use gedit or nano. I'll be using kwrite. Now, add the lines shown on screen to the bottom of your file. Before loading these configurations, let us understand what each of these lines do. In the first line, we set the path for storing all virtual environments. We set this to a hidden folder named virtualenvs within your home folder. In the second line, we set the path for storing all projects created using virtualenvwrapper. We set this to a folder named dev inside your home folder. In the third line, we set the Python path for virtualenvwrapper. Finally, in the fourth line, we load the virtualenvwrapper script. Save your file and exit. Reload your shell config file for the changes to take effect. Verify if the configurations have taken effect. Let us create a new virtual environment using the command mkvirtualenv space my first venv. You can see the new environment is created and activated immediately. The active virtual environment's name is displayed in your shell prompt. When a virtual environment is active, any pip packages you install will remain specific to that environment. To demonstrate this, I'll split my terminal window vertically. On the left, I have my virtual environment activated. On the right, I do not have any virtual environment activated. Within my virtual environment, I'll install a package named Pylint. Now, when I locate the installed package within the virtual environment, I can see the installed path. Whereas, this package cannot be located outside of the virtual environment. Use the command deactivate to exit a virtual environment. Once I deactivate my virtual environment, I won't be able to locate or use the packages installed within the environment. To activate the environment again, use the command work on space the virtual environment name.